Hello everyone. If you have this remote starter, a new starter, and is looks like in the back. So this remote starter, it can open and locks and unlock only, and when you press start bottom here, it does not start the engine. So let's try to see if it could be easy. Open the hood, and then here there is called the hood switch, which is this one here. Yeah, so hood switch, this one, see, if this one not working, or disconnected or something, you can see the wiring here. So what we can do is I'm gonna have to press it manually just to make sure it's working. Press now start. Okay, nothing. Let's so as you see now, when I press unlock and lock, and this the back door, it does not work. Then when I press start, let's see now. Nothing. So the switch, I think the switch is working. But this one does not start. So this net here, as you see, it cannot remove from the top because it has a lock here. So you see it's one piece. We have to figure out to remove it from beneath here. Some, like, let's see if we can. There is another net in the bottom. Okay, let's see that. We have to remove this box. So I'm gonna hold it from here. Yeah, there is net beneath. If this corrosion, rust or anything, this switch won't work, and then the remote starter is not gonna work anymore. See, there's a lot of rust here, so to activate this switch, once the hood closes, this will push down, so that's how it works. But the thing is, this one is broken. Let's see if I can remove it. See, it's coming out now. It's a piece of plastic broken inside. Here we go. Oh, this one here. This piece of plastic, it came from this one here. This is how it's gonna sit. Okay, now we're just gonna put the hood safety switch back on. Okay, so there are several washers here, you see. This is goes to the bottom, top, and then up and down. So we just follow. This one goes beneath, number one, and then actually I'm just gonna lose this. So, and then this one goes beneath also, number two. Those one first. See, this one goes here. 1, 2, and then this one here. Okay, now we're just gonna tight this. Before we tight this one, we can now connect the wire to the plastic. This thing is connected like that. This, I think this is how it works. As you see here, this one has a one single wire, and then beneath there, I hope you can see it. Once, see, it's down, and then when the hood is closed, this one will push down. When the hood is open, this one connect the wire to the metal, to the chassis here, and maybe that's why. So so this one always like that when the hood is closed. Always when the hood is open, it's connected. Okay, so let's give it a try now and see. Let's see if it does not do nothing, but how about open it, unlock lock. It works. Push this one with my hand and try. Yeah, nothing.